Hello and welcome back to zoo building. Yeah, there was a bit of a slight little glitch and I recorded and I am going to do everything that I did in our last video except for here. So basically, by the way, I told you this in the other videos, but if you're recording with Screencast-O-Matic, which is what I'm recording with, don't click pause and rewatch your video, or else everything. Actually, you can rewatch your video, but you won't be able to continue recording, so don't pause it, or else it won't work. Just if you want to rewatch it, click play, and then don't say go back to recording, just say done, because it's better for you to just do the next video than you to lose like 15 minutes of work, which is exactly what happened to me. So what we did in the last one is we need to count our puppy nose. We've got Lily, good girl. Good girl, Farley. We got 2 puppy noses. Come here. Come here. Good. Rex is a puppy nose. Come here, puppy. Come. Alpha, come. Come, Alpha. Good girl. I think if you wave a stick, they'll actually be attracted to you. So yeah, we got a bit of coal. We didn't find anything cool. We just went a bit down and then it stopped recording and I was like, oh, I better and I was like, oh, let's go. And then by mistake, I was like, oh, how do I upload it to YouTube? And I click continue recording and it brought me back to the first 1 minute, and I was like, I let everybody down. But I know you guys won't mind. Oh yeah, and Tim, I gave you a shout out in the other video. Love your comments. Totally glad I think that Tim, you're the only one watching this video so far, but that's because it's like my 3rd day YouTubing. So yeah, you're the only one watching this so far. Come on, puppies. Oh yeah, I made them sit in the last video, and I did take a picture of Farley. It was hilarious because he really wanted to sit right on that block, and I just took a screenshot of him, like his nose all tall up, like bow down to me, and it was so hilarious. I wish you guys could have seen that. That's okay. But now, let's go down. Like, the torches, I literally stopped here because there's no more torches, which means that's all coal. Wait, did I just see iron? Nope, no iron yet. It's okay. Oh, it was a bat. Oh yeah, it was such a hilarious noise when the other video. Oh yay, iron! It was such a funny noise in the other video. You might have seen it, and it was like the first video, and it was like, okay, I was in my treehouse, and I was like, oh, okay, better close the door, or else my puppies are gonna fall down the tree, and then they just teleported down, and I think it slightly went a little bit slower, and I just saw them falling, and I was like, oh. Like, in a bit of a startled way. I don't think I've ever said oh like that in my entire life, and don't think I could ever pull it off ever again. Stupid bats! I'm going to kill you with this thing. Like, literally, it's just gonna be your doom, like, no, little bat, don't fly there! And then it's just gonna be, like, experience flying to hit the ground, and I'm like, stupid bat. Probably shouldn't be being too mean to bats, but I'm sorry. It is quite stupid that you're going right in front of a human swinging an axe. Do you know how dangerous that is, buddy? Do you? Like, I don't think you do. You probably are saying I do, but I don't think you do. Okay, I'll let you off the hook this time, but next time I'm not gonna stop swinging this because you fly in front of it. I know, I'm strict with those poor little bats. Oh, and you might be wondering, why am I collecting up all the coal? Because I've had an experience where if you take the time to collect up coal, sometimes you can run out of it, first of all, because you need it for torches and fueling stuff. But also, one time I was like going through and I was on at diamond level. And then I just broke. I was going through coal and I was like, I don't like this. I don't really need coal too much. And I found a diamond at the bottom. And I learned, if you take the time that it takes, like the little bit of time, you could be rewarded. You could be rewarded by the realms of Minecraftian. So, yeah, the reason why I didn't just go back home and restart the video doing the exact same thing and just telling you guys it glitched out is because since we're already here, it took me a while to get myself together and get myself here. Also, I got some chests up, but yeah, it took me a little while, so it took me like 9 minutes of the video was me just talking to you guys and at the treehouse. So I was like, let's just start it here. They won't mind. But yeah, Tim, you're probably the only one watching this right now, so yeah. Oh, and I think that Tim, your mom, she was asking if I asked my parents to do this. Yes, everybody who's watching this, I asked my parents to do this because I've been asking, like, I didn't really ask them the last time because I've been asking them for like 3 months. Like, even though I knew they were saying yes, I wanted to make sure. And then one day, my dad, in a sweet, lovingly way, just got a little annoyed and was like, yes, Kai, I'm telling you this millions of times. You can finally do the YouTube channel. And I was like, yes! Score! I don't need to ask anymore. Hey, that rhymed. Score! Don't need to ask anymore. So we're done in this mine shaft. Mine shaft. No, Ella, the mine. Come on. Oh, yay, it's daytime. If it was nighttime, I would have to either just do time set day, or I would have to do time set day, or I would have to pull out my bed, and that would waste time. Well, it wouldn't waste time. I don't really like night. That's the thing. Even in Minecraft, if it's nighttime in the real world and it's my nighttime at Minecraft, I get a little more depressed than usual. That's why I found Siri Pixel Biologist's channel, because at night I usually like to listen to her because I feel alone. Like, I feel like a little wolf who's lost its pack if I'm like playing Minecraft at night and there's nobody for me to talk to. By the way, if that happens to you, don't feel like it's the only one. It happens to me all the time. That's one of the reasons I found Siri's channel. Okay, well, oh wow, we didn't even use up as many torches. Okay, well, it's Minecraft night. Actually, here, it's not night. Tim, you're probably going to be the first one watching this, because I called you a few times, so I told you I was about to do some recording. But right now, it is actually 12:30. So if you're not watching this as soon as it comes out, don't worry. I watch Siri's channel. Like, I'm 2 seasons back from where she is. So, I think we're gonna do some more mining. We only have about 5 minutes left, but hey, that's half the time as we had. Okay, sorry, we have to do the time set day, because if I don't, I don't know. Even though I turned off monsters, I still feel like something unknown could just pop out of the blue and be like, "Rawr, come eat my brains," or I'm coming to eat your brains. Oh no, did I just kill my puppy? Wait, did I just kill my puppy? Puppy! Okay, you gave me a heart attack, Alpha. It's not your fault. Okay, I probably shouldn't be getting mad at my puppy. Oh, that's what happened. My pickaxe got destroyed and it totally glitched out and looked completely different. Okay, so now we're actually gonna spend the time at turning this into iron and then upgrading my weapons and stuff. Come on, Lily, get your fluffy nose out of the fire. Yeah, probably. Yeah, Lily, I don't think it's the safest place for your nose. Not the safest place, my baby. Okay, bana, 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 bana. Da, da, da. Yeah, I hope that my brother's headphones are better. I'm trying not to be too loud with it, because they're already so good. Got six things. I'll start working on making some stuff. 1 iron pickaxe. Oh, okay, 4 minutes. If this just goes off again, sorry, not my fault. Just part of my thingamajig. Okay, perfect. Got the coal. Got a little fire heating up. Perfect. We got a little fire heating our chilliness up. Rub our hands together. Actually, if you're here and you're watching it right now, at my house, it is so cold. I've actually got my thickest sweater on and my thickest pair of socks. They're so comfy, but it's also really cold here. So yeah, if you're suffering from that right now too, write a comment below. You're not the only one. Actually, let's just make some booties, because we have enough. And we've got enough iron, enough stuff. I'm gonna put on my little booties. They're probably not the most comfortable things in this chilly weather, but they'll do. There we go. Yeah, so I'm probably gonna find a nice chill place, a little chill, relaxing place. And then I'm just gonna, if it goes off, sorry, but the good thing is I'm planning on recording as much as I can today because I'm sort of a bit bored. I do have to do a job for my dad later though. Or I want to because he's paying me. One of the ways that me and my brother can get a bit of extra change, we've got a little chore list, and if we do those, like they're not have to do chores, but there's stuff that we can just do if we want. Actually, guys, I'm gonna end this on a nice note, and we're gonna climb that mountain, and we're gonna see the snow, and I hope that next episode can just open up to us on that hill. Oh, come on, Kaya, you can do that any day. Snow Mountain time. Well, technically I could do the Snow Mountain every day, but come on, I just want to do the Snow Mountain right now. Oh, yeah, and I have no idea what just happened, but my puppy somehow teleported. I bet that's a taiga, because I don't think that would be considered wooden mountains because of all those trees. Lots of coal. I'll probably just collect up some coal on my own, and then later on when I'm getting ready, or I might just stay at the top. But yeah, we've got 1 minute. I hope we can reach the top. If we can't, sorry guys, but I will probably almost certainly get this video done, and then have another one. And it's not even the top. Look at this beautiful land we have. The lava falls, everything. Take a moment to look at our beautiful world. And we're at the top. This beautiful world, from snow to hot temperatures. and lava falls that keep old people here. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.